Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to add Open to Work on LinkedIn profile picture. First step is to log in on your LinkedIn account. So once you're logged in, the next step that you need to do is to click on your profile. So once you're already on your profile page, to add it, just click on your profile picture. So you should go ahead and get a preview for your profile photo. You should be able to see on the bottom part, frames. Click on it and there you should be able to add hiring and open to work. So we're going to choose open to work and then right after, click on apply. So this frame will be visible to all LinkedIn members. And once you click on apply, it'll ask as well for what kind of work you're open to. So just go ahead and fill in all of the details that you want to add and then click on save. Right after, it will ask you as well to start a post to notify your network. So you'll have two options to do that or just simply click on not now. Then right after that, your profile page will automatically load, and once it is fully loaded, the open to work option on your profile picture is now added. And that is just basically it. How you add an open to work on LinkedIn profile picture. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.